Good morning, another one. November 26th opening. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully you like these quick videos, just opening packs. Ben Bishop. And what else? What else? Subban and Barzal. All right. Nothing special, but Subban in a jersey, New Jersey jersey. That's unique. I haven't seen enough of him from that. I'm always picturing him either in a yellow Preds jersey or a red Montreal Canadian jersey. So hopefully he'll wear another jersey sometime soon. So that's it. Thank you so much. Take care. Another opening tomorrow.